Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to decorate a frame with lots of different polymer clay tiles. Now you might think this is a bit strange, but I'm going to do like a mosaic sort of effect on a normal boring wooden frame, and it's going to look really pretty. So here we go. Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So I did have a lot of fun with this. It was a really interesting project to do with lots of different tiles. However, this is not a quick project. This is not something you could do in an hour or a couple of hours. I'd set aside maybe 5, maybe 6 hours. And the reason for that is because there's lots of in-between bits. So you've got to make the tiles, and then you've got to decorate them, and then you've got to bake them, and then you've got to start again. And because I didn't have any tiles that were big enough, I had to use lots of different small tiles. So it is a bit of a process. Then when you come to making all of the grout sort of effect with the liquid clay and the glitter, it is a really messy process. Now, had I thought about painting this to start off with, I probably would have painted it all over first, left it to dry overnight, and then started with a whole fresh white frame. But I didn't do that, so I painted it afterwards, as you saw. So it was a bit harder for me, I guess. So what I'm going to do is save you the hassle. Paint it beforehand, leave it overnight to dry. It was just normal acrylic paint that I used, and it would probably be a lot easier for you. However, as you can see all the way around, I didn't do too bad a job. It's one of these projects that you just sort of take it as it comes, and it's not something that's going to look absolutely perfect because it's all handmade and out of polymer clay. So with each little tile, I made sure that it had a little pattern on it, as you saw from the tutorial, which I found quite a lot of fun. However, I've got an awful lot left over. So if you can leave me a comment and let me know what you think I should do with the leftover little tiles that I've got, and I'll see if I can make another project. So this is really clever also for lots of different things. So it doesn't have to be a frame, it could be a box. It could even be some small sort of furniture. Now obviously covering, say, a table or something like that with polymer clay would probably be really expensive. However, it's an idea. You know, you could have some of it tiles and then some of it polymer clay. So now I've found this little technique, I'm going to carry on using it. So this is how you create mosaic tiles to cover a frame from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching the tutorials. I'll show you what. So I maybe 6 hours. You've got a last thing from polymer clay.